Konnichiwa, Senpai Tachi. Welcome back to my channel. Watashi wa Senpai desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Kung bago na po kayo sa akin channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon para notify kayo from my upcoming uploads. So for today's topic, we have different kinds of time expression using Japanese language. So in order for me to elaborate this topic, I will proceed to my presentation. Konnichiwa again, Senpai. So for today's topic, we have timer expressions using Japanese language. So this is part 2 nung lesson natin last week. Continuation lang siya actually. Kasi supposed to be magkasama to sa isang video, but unfortunately hindi siya kaya kasi sobrang haba na. So, and again, I did not prepare a quiz for this lesson kasi all you have to do is to memorize the words in this topic. So, let's start. We have the calendar. So, karenda. They used katakana because this is just a loan word. Okay? I used the July or this month's dates para ipakita sa inyo yung ating calendar. So, as an example, I want to use the current month. We have here the calendar. As you can see, we have the days for the week. We have the Sunday to Saturday. Second row hanggang 6th row is yung mga days of the month naman. So, we have here the Sunday. So, ang Sunday in Nihongo is Nichi-yobi. Nichi-yobi. Ang kanji ng Nichi-yobi is kanji ng hi or nichi, araw. Monday, we have Getsu-yobi. Getsu-yobi. Ang Getsu-yobi naman is kanji ng month. Tsuki or Getsu. Next, we have Tuesday. Tuesday is Kayobi. 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 Kanji ng Kayobi is kanji ng ang kanji ng Kayobi ay kanji ng fire. Sige, we have Wednesday. Wednesday is Suyobi. Suyobi. Okay? Ang kanji niya ay kanji ng tubig or water. Thursday is Mokuyobi. Mokuyobi. Okay? Kanji niya ay kanji ng ki or kanji ng tree. Puno. Okay? Sige, we have Friday. Friday is Kinyobi. Kinyobi. Okay? Kanji niya ay kanji ng pera or money. Sige, we have Saturday. Saturday is Doyobi. Doyobi. Okay? Kanji niya ay kanji ng land or lupa. Okay? So that's it. We have Nichiyobi, Getsuyobi, Kayobi, Suyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi, Doyobi. Hi. Dito naman tayo sa days of the month. We have first day of the month is Tsui-tachi. Tsui-tachi. Second day is Futsuka. Futsuka. Third day is Mikka. Mikka. Fourth is Yokka. Yokka. 5 or 5th, Itsuka. Itsuka. 6 is Moika. Muika. 7 is Nanoka. Nanoka. 8 is Yoka. Yoka. Okay. So, dito, mapapansin nyo, ang 8 and ang 4 is almost the same. Pero, sabi ko nga almost, syempre, hindi siya the same talaga. Kasi, ang yoka is mas mabilis na pinopronounce. Yoka. Yoka. Ang 8 naman ay yoka. Yoka. Mas madalas kasi itong ginagamit sa mga exams na pangpalito. Since magkalapit sila, all you have to remember na lang is since ang 4 ang mas malapit sa 1, kaya siya mas mabilis bigkasin kaysa sa 8. Kasi ang 8 ay mas malayo sa 1. Although magkatapat sila dito, pero syempre, when it comes to the series of numbers, mas nauna talaga or mas malapit yung 4 sa 1 kaysa sa 8. Okay? Sige, we have 9. 9 is kokonoka. 10 is touka. 11 is juichinichi. Juichinichi. 12 is juninichi. Juninichi. 13 is jusangnichi. Jusangnichi. 14 is juyoka. Juyoka. 15 is jugonichi. Jugonichi. 16 is jurokunichi. Jurokunichi. 17 is junananichi. Junananichi. 18 is juhachinichi. Juhachinichi. 19 is jukunichi. Jukunichi. Hindi siya Q. 20 is hatsuka. Hatsuka. 21 is niju ichinichi. Niju ichinichi. 22 is nijuni nichi. Nijuni nichi. 23 is nijusang nichi. Nijusang nichi. 24 is nijuyoka. Nijuyoka. 25 is nijugo nichi. Nijugo nichi. 26 is nijuroku nichi. Nijuroku nichi. 27 is nijunana nichi. Nijunana nichi. 28 is nijuhachi nichi. Nijuhachi nichi. 29 is nijuku nichi. Nijuku nichi. 30 is sanjunichi. Sanjunichi. 31 is sangju ichinichi. Sangju ichinichi. Okay? Provided naman dito yung romaji. So, mas madali nyo naman siyang bababasa. Okay? All you have to do is to memorize yung days of the week and days of the month. Sige, we have Shitsumon. So, Shitsumon are questions. So, or question. Okay? We have here nannen. Previous kong video, nandun yung ang about sa time expressions about the year. We have kotoshi, kyonen, ototoshi, rainen, and sarainen. Pero, dito kapag pwede din naman natin sabihin ng specific, pag tinanong tayo ng nannen, is all we have to say is sabihin yung taon mismo. Kumari ngayon is 2020. Niseng, niju, nen. Okay? So, yun. Sige, we have nangatsu. Pag nangatsu naman is what month. Nangatsu is what month. So, sa previous video ko nga, nandun din yung months. We have the Ichigatsu, Nigatsu, hanggang sa Junigatsu, sa December. Yun yung isasagot mo doon. Sige, we have Nannichi. Pag tinanong naman ng Nannichi, what day? Yun, balik tayo dun sa calendar. Okay? ito yung calendar. So, kunwari ngayon is first day of the month. Tsuitachi. Tsuitachi ang sagot mo. Kyou wa tsuitachi desu. Okay? Next, we have Nanyobi. Nanyobi. So, what day of the week? Nanyobi daw. So, ang kailangan mo isagot ulit dito is yung eto. Ito yung mga sagot mo doon sa Nanyobi. Pwedeng Nichiyobi, kyou wa Nichiyobi desu. Or, kyou wa Getsuyobi desu. Today is Monday. Today is Sunday. Okay? Kayobi, soyobi, mokoyobi, kinyobi, and doyobi ang kailangan mong isagot sa nanyobi. Okay? Hai, sige. We have question. Kyou wa nanichi desu ka? Kyou wa nanichi desu ka? So, in English, what day is it today? Anong araw daw ngayon? Answer niya is, Kyou wa jusang nichi desu. Jusang nichi desu. Sabi niya, today is 13th day of the month. Okay? Sige, we have, Kyou wa nannen nangatsu nannichi desu ka? So, Kyou wa nannen nangatsu nannichi desu ka? So, in English, what year, month, and day is it today? So, specify niya lahat. So, tinatanong niya is yung taon, yung buwan, and ang araw. And sinabi din niya na kyo. So, today. Ang sagot niya since, okay, for example natin is, today is July 12, 2020. Okay? Kyo wa 2020年7月12日です。今日は2020年7月12日です。Today is 12th day of the month of July, year 2020. Okay? Sige. Another. So, question. Tanjoubi wa itsu desu ka? Tanjoubi wa itsu desu ka? So, natanong yung birthday. When is your birthday? Hi, kotai is Tanjoubi wa 1994年10月12日です。12日です。誕生日は1994年10月12日です。So, in English, my birthday is on October 12, 1994. And I want to emphasize this part kasi ganito yung format nila ng pagsulat ng date. Una is yung year, next is yung month, and next is yung day. Yan. Okay? Next, we have the kisetsu, yung 4 seasons sa isang taon. Okay, we have, oh, my favorite. Favorite is spring. So, we have haru. Haru. Sige, we have summer. So, after ng spring, we have summer, which is natsu. Natsu. After ng summer, we have fall. So, aki. Aki. Sige, we have winter. Winter na after ng fall is winter na. So, fuyu. Fuyu. Okay? provided na sa baba yung kanji ng every season. Okay? I have here other time expressions. So, ito kailangan din siyang i-familiarize. Okay? I have here the hiragana and romaji translation for the kanjis dito sa gitna. And then we have the English translation sa third column. Okay? We have first, ima. Ima is now. Itsumo is always. Itsumo. Itsumo kokoro. Okay, hindi kagandahan ng boses ko. Sige, we have mukashi. Mukashi is in the past. Asa. Asa is morning. Kesa is this morning. May asa naman is every morning. Hero. Hero. Hero pala. Hero. Hindi siya pala ro. Kundi hero. Hero is noon or midday. Yoru is night. Kombang is tonight. Yube. Yube. Last night. Maibang is every night. Mainichi is every day. Maishu is every week. Okay? So, that will be all for today, senpai. Arigatou gozaimashita. Otsukare-sama deshita. Hi! Iwari desu. That will be all for today, senpai. Thank you for watching on this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. And kung gusto nyo itong video na to, you can share it with your friends na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. Ganbate kudasai, senpai. Mata ne!